Hey guys, Brian Rank here, owner of Diamond Rock Homes. In the apartment right now of the complex that we bought, those 4 units. One of the tenants did move out. It's actually a good thing she did because it gives us 2 weeks to renovate before we get the next one in. We're going to start searching for our new tenant, advertising for that. And she's already paid up for the full month of this month in December. So we're going to go ahead and tear up all of this carpet. We're going to repaint this entire room, redo the laundry room. We're gonna work on the kitchen as well, repainting all the cabinets, new appliances, refrigerator, stove, dishwasher. The kitchen floor will stay, because that's a vinyl, extremely hard to get up. Again, all this is gonna be painted. This is like a 1970s shag carpet. We're definitely doing away with that. It's got some cat smell to it. It kind of continues to a different shade of color into this room, one of the bedrooms. Then you got a third color for this closet. We're gonna repaint this entire room, probably do new fixtures, repair these closet doors, repaint those along with all of the trim, new doors, repainting this room, new carpet, fix this closet, repaint the doors as well, do all the trim work. And then we might remodel a little bit on the porch, so that kind of gives you an idea. Basically a full gut job without the actual gut. We're gonna bring this baby up to a nice little appeal on the cosmetic side, so we can get some good tenants in here, some people that respect everything and pay some good money for it. So I'll keep you updated along the way as it goes. Hey guys, what's up? Brian Rank here, Diamond Rock Homes. Just want to give you an update on our apartment, Unit 12, that we got renovating. We took out all the carpet downstairs in the living room, along with the baseboards. We are gonna prime all of the wood that you see so we can go back and paint it white. Took up this carpet, gotta replace this air vent, clean this out as well. We're pulling up this linoleum floor in the laundry room and the kitchen area. This bath had some linoleum in it. Actually had a little bit of mold damage. We're gonna pull out some of the drywall, fix that, and make sure all the studs and the seal plate where it meets the concrete is good. We're pulling out these appliances. Nice little eggshell color there, getting rid of those. Either take them to the dump or see if we can trade them in for a little bit of value. We're gonna leave the cabinets probably the same for now. We're thinking about painting them the same as all the trim color. We're not really sure if we're gonna have the time or the funds to do that yet. As for the stairs, we went back and put screws, 2-inch screws all the way through each step just to make sure that we didn't get any squeak. And we did the same thing up here with the subfloor. We were hearing a lot of squeaking because this OSB plywood is pretty old. It's probably been here 30 years. And so we just went back through and put 1 5/8-inch screws all the way through every couple of feet. Here in the bathroom, a little bit difficult to see because I don't have a light on me, but we did pull out the entire tub and the toilet. We're gonna end up painting those cabinets as well. And then here's the last bedroom. Again, full remodel, not quite gut to the studs, but pretty close to it. And we're gonna repaint, keep finishing up, and I'll keep you up to date. Hey guys, Brian Rank here with Diamond Rock Homes. Just wanted to give you an update and a finalization on the apartment complex, the 4-plex 1 unit that we did complete. Basically everything down to the drywall was a complete makeover on this project. So I'm gonna start with a tour. I've had 2 other videos that kind of gave you a walkthrough as well. So we completely refitted this door right here. This is a completely new door. It was green before. We did a color scheme of smooth stone gray with white trim, and we'll go into the kitchen here. So we got new appliances. This is a Mana, a Kenmore stove, and a Kenmore refrigerator. All new appliances. We decided to keep with the old scheme of cabinets. We didn't want to redo those, and the countertops as well. They're from Mica. We decided to stay with that. New fixtures for the lights and the sink. As we come this way, continue to remodel the floor, all new here, into our living area, new fixture as well. new paint, new flooring into the laundry room, repainted, refinished the cabinet spaces, these bifold doors as well, all new, 36-inch bifold doors. The light in the kitchen as well, I forgot to mention, LED, and in the living room. Bright enough so you will never miss a corn popped or an egg over flipped. Now we're going upstairs. The carpet kind of has a gray brown tone to it. Goes really well with all the fixtures, all the paint colors, and the color scheme that we wanted to keep going throughout the entire house. We'll start off in the guest bedroom. So this total property is about 1,174 square feet. That was a small guest bedroom. Here is the master bedroom, fairly large for a master bedroom. Went with the same scheme on the fans. Really good prices at Home Depot that we were able to get. Redid the bifold doors, new hinges, new knobs. Redid the entire closet here, new rod, new hangers. Small fixtures again replaced here. And then the master bath that we completely gutted. This is an all new acrylic shower, 4-piece tub. Your tub and shower wall set, 3 pieces. New trim work, new shower head. This is a completely new vanity, new faucet, new mirror, new light fixture. It all goes really, really well together. And then I didn't show you one thing. It was the small spare bath downstairs. Basically the same setup as that, same color scheme, same fixtures, just a little bit smaller. That's about it. That concludes it. You know, a really long project, very well taken care of. Lot of work that went into this, and we're extremely happy with it. Have a good one.